Alrighty, now that we've got our marshmallows and our melted butter into our pan, I'm gonna pop this in the oven for about 5 minutes. Alrighty, I'm just grabbing my marshmallows out of my oven. They were just in there for about 5 minutes. Now I'm coming in with some peppermint extract. And since this is a good amount, I think a teaspoon and a half will be perfect. Now I'm coming in with my green food coloring. 'Tis the season, y'all. And I love to make things seasonal and fun. I'm gonna start with that amount there. All right, I'm just gonna pan up my spatula, although it does have a little butter residue on it. And we're gonna start mixing this all together to incorporate that green food coloring and peppermint evenly. Of course, we're gonna be adding stuff to this, but we wanna get these marshmallows dyed green first. And I have to say, green is the color of the season, right? It's the color of the Christmas tree, it's the color of the Grinch, and it's one of my favorite colors just in general. We're making something really unique with this today. It's not gonna be your traditional holiday treat. You're really gonna wanna stay and stick around to see what this becomes, and I think you're gonna be so impressed and wanna do this with your family, your friends, your little ones at home. It's the perfect Christmas party treat. Alrighty, I've got my giant sized Rice Krispie cereal here. And we're just gonna come in just like that. I'm using about half of this box to start off with. And I'm gonna start folding these in with that green peppermint marshmallow to make a delicious, beautiful Christmas treat, y'all. And we are gonna just show you, this is gonna be like a work of art when we're done. We're gonna be doing a little bit of sculpting, a little bit of, like mainly sculpture, but also just making this extremely beautiful and fun for the holiday season. This is gonna be great for a Christmas party, and your kids are going to love it. All right, now that we've gotten this all flattened out, I'm just coming in with some Christmas sprinkles. You're gonna see this is gonna be a really cute decoration on top later on. Alrighty, y'all, I'm just gonna let these cool and harden. Alrighty, y'all, our marshmallow treats have hardened. Now I've got this really cute star cookie cutter. Now this might be a little bit hard to see because it is green on green, but I'm gonna push this down into here and try and get that just in as much as I can, making sure I can see these indents. And now I'm gonna lift that up and come in with my knife. I'm gonna trace along the pattern of our star here. And we're gonna be doing something really cool with this, y'all. I've got a bunch more cookie cutters in different sizes, and I think you're gonna be really impressed when you see what we come up with. All right, I'm gonna get my little pastry knifey knife here underneath, and we're gonna loosen this from the bottom of the pan. Oh, you guys, I've even got a bigger one. This one's the right one for the job, the big guy. All right, we're gonna get the rest of our stars cut out. All righty, let Christmas begin. Just gonna add a little bit of decoration to our tree here. Rice Krispie Christmas tree. You gotta try it.